What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 rice gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here sashimi rice shaper, but it looks like it has this 3 hands. Let's see how it works. Boom, check this out. It's like tones from 3 different ways, so that way it makes a little ball like that. So I bought some rice, that way I don't have to cook it. And you got sticky rice, and then you push it into the rice like that and squish it and push it down. That way you got perfect amount of rice like this. Wow, that actually looks really good. So you got your sticky rice, and this is what you do. You push it into the rice like this, grab it and push it down and lift it up, and it should mold it really good. Maybe take off some pieces. Okay, let's see how it works out. Nice. Let me try this again. Hopefully next time it doesn't fall apart on me. Just squish it together. Nice. Push it down. Wow, really good. Next, I'm supposed to put a piece of fish and then squish it down again. There you go. Okay, let me go one more time. I wish it was less flimsier. Kinda awkward to use it. There you go. You got your rice. Put it down, shape it. Boom. Maybe I used too much rice. There you go. Nice. As you can see, there is a nice little piece of rice that stays together pretty good. So that way you can lift it with chopsticks. Then you put another piece of fish on and squish it again. Just like that, but as you can see, I'd have to use my hand here. Honestly, a bit flimsy, but it still works really good. To where you can get chopstick and still lift it up. Look at that. It still lifts up the whole piece of ball. Very nice. You know what, this gadget is pretty cool. It still works, so thumbs up for me. For the next gadget I got here a rice ball maker. Let's see what it's all about. Seems like very simple. You have to stuff it with the rice and then you close it together, and that's what makes it a ball. Let's use a spoon with sticky rice. Okay, now we close it all the way down. Okay, let's open it and hopefully it looks really good. And then let's open it up. Oh, there you go. This is more like an egg. Instead of balls, I got this egg-shaped rice. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, you know what? I know my mistake. I put too much rice. You only put the rice in one side, then close it, then you shake it. So that way it goes back and forth in there. The instruction is in Japanese, so you stuff the rice only in one side, that's it. And then you shake it and you're going to get the ball. So which is actually a lot easier. Whoa! Check this out! You got ball of rice. Let's see if we can make even better one. This is so easy to use, mind blow. Remember, you have to have sticky rice. Then shake it. That should be good. Look at that. Oops. Maybe a little bit longer. So that way it don't fall apart. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, that looks good. A ball of rice. Cool. Then you close it and then shake it. Okay, that should do it. And boom, you got here ball of rice. Really cool design of a gadget. I never seen anything like that. So unique. Thumbs up for me. Makes a really cool sticky rice balls. For the next gadget, this right here, little ice cube mold maker. Let's see how it works. Very simple instruction. Looks like ice cubes almost. So same thing, we're going to grab rice, stick it into here, and then we're just going to press it. So this is like a rice press. Stick it pretty good amount, so that way it's cute, especially for the kids, you know. Now then close it and then push it down. Okay, let's see if it's perfect. Wow, very nice. And then hold it like this. Some of them fall out, some don't. Then you push it right here. And you have here perfect rice cubes. How cool is that? That is so cute. So you can add on little fish over here. And you got here mini sashimi. How cool is that? Let's try to do another round. I'm gonna put a little bit extra rice this time. Then we're going to press it all the way down. Don't have to do anything extra. Just 1-2 times. Boom. Just put it upside down. If it don't come out, just press it right here. Easy. How cool is that? Looks really beautiful. Then you can add on sesame seeds on top of the rice. Decorate it, you know, make it beautiful. Maybe add some seaweed salad on top of it. Fish. Just think of something really cool that you can make it even better. How cool is that? That's a cute rice cubes for sure. For the next gadget, I got here rice sandwich. So this is what it's going to look like. Okay, we will need a seaweed as well with that. Next step, we're going to put it like that and add on some rice into it. And stick your rice into here as well. Pack it a little bit on top of a seaweed. Oh, I should have cut out the seaweed. Oh well, let's do that real quick. Okay, then we're gonna put this down and close it. Nice. Maybe a little bit more. Looks good. And as you can see, there is a little bit of space that you can put meat in there or whatever you like. So then you can put some kind of veggies in here. Maybe even fish. Whatever. You can really put a lot in there. So just one layer like that. Next step, you lift this tray up. Boom. And you have here perfect 2 pieces of rice and seaweed. And then you close it. And that way you have here an awesome sandwich. How cool is that? Let me cut this in half for you. So what it looks like. Not the best knife, but there you go. Boom. You got right here a giant sushi or rice sandwich, whatever you want to call it. A really cool idea. I like it a lot. And for the next gadget, I got here rice cube maker. Again, you'll need sticky rice. Wow, this is silicone. Wow, interesting. Let's figure it out how to use it. Looks pretty simple. Fill it up with the rice and then you kind of mold it with your hands once you close it, and that way you'll have the cube. Stick the rice down here. A little bit more. So that way it sticks really well together. Okay, now I'm gonna close it. That looks like a lot of rice. Close it all the way and boom. Now you mold it together. Just with your hands, just like that. Should be very simple. Let's see if it's going to make into the cube. Open it. Open it. Wow, check this out. We have here pretty awesome rice cube. Boom. I'm pretty impressed. It works. Let's do one more time. This time I'm gonna put a little bit extra rice. Let's see if I can compress it even better. Then close it down and don't forget about to latch it over here. Boom. And then once again just mold it together into the cube. As you can see, very easy. Anybody could use this gadget. Look at that, there's a second cube of rice. I like it a lot. This is super cool. and unique. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.